guys, so I'm back with another unboxing, and this time my voice is in it. So I bought a few things from Koreanmall again. I got a Sing For You album. This is Kai's version. This is actually for my friend, but he let me unbox it, so. And then I have 3 GOT7 albums. It was from their promotion where it's like half off. So each one was pretty much like $7. I also got a cleanser, Nature Republic thing, and some nail polishes. Yeah. Okay, so for the nail polish, I got this kind of burgundy color. It's from Nature Republic. This is number 21. I don't know the specific name. And then there's this mint blue, mintish color, or like blue. Number 28. And another blue, this one's number 37. And a really light pink, this one's number 62. And there's also a foam cleanser. Oh my god, my voice. The packaging is slightly damaged, but doesn't really matter to me. This is what it looks like. How do I put this in? Okay, so I'm just gonna unbox the Sing For You album first. Okay. So of course it's Kai's version. I'll just show the photo cards. What do you get? Oh my god! Oh my god! He got Lay! Oh, he's my bias. Oh, I'm definitely stealing this from him. Oh my god, he's so cute here. Okay. The Turbulence album. Get out. I really wanted Jackson. And I got a group 1. Okay. That doesn't really matter. But so here it is. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what photo card there is. Oh, okay, so this is Jinyoung again. I already got him this time, but it's a different photo card of him, so that's nice. And there's another one. And it's the group again. Okay. See. What did I get this time? Oh, it's Mark! Ah! Oh my god. Yeah. Yay! Okay. I'm having so much trouble closing these. And here's the third one. Okay. What did I get this time? Oh. Oh my god, it's the group again. Oh, it's just my luck. Okay. Okay, just one card. Okay, got Jinyoung again. Same exact photo card. What? What is this? Okay, doesn't really matter. I still love them all. Oh look. How? 3 group. Oh. Okay. Well. Okay. Well, that's it for today's unboxing. Okay. The album also came with the poster, and this is the one that we got.